What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to get your Dodge Durango started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with your key fob, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Dodge Durango started. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2021 Dodge Durango in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying Key Fob Not Detected. So what we need to do is take our key fob and we're going to start it as we normally would, but we're going to use the top of the key fob right here to press the stop start button. So press the brake as you normally would, come over here, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.